住老板娘是饭店的，然后重点是他床超好躺的，我每次都来这一间，然后就在恒春镇上，所以去哪走路都蛮方便的。然后他们家外面就可以停车，然后都真的超干净的，推荐给你们。我以
We fall apart, and I won't dare to say. Do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. If we don't feel the same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time.
啊，就这里很多人来这里潜水，对不对？
之前小巴黎是可以从那边下去，所以因为今年来的时候疫情关系吧，要把路封起来，所以你要从港口那边走过来。我们连续来了3年，每一年都不太一样的。
对啊。
每一年人越多，今年是让我们去更多。这里记得要穿拖鞋，都可以。
I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on mistaking.
好了。好，转一下。一样方式。我要转圈。好。对。太很紧张了，快来了，快。都太快了。加油！很有勉励。对。好。完成。好。恒春夜市，我们都会刚好挑礼拜日的时候来逛一下恒春的夜市。它找礼拜日有，现在超多人的。
哇，你看旁边那个很多人啊。
这是那个某个艺人开的。
廖慧珍啊。
突然讲错。
You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet.
超大一份，10块。
We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone.
我们今天带大家来到那个 市场，恒春在地的市场，我很爱逛那个在地人的市场。那这整条啊，就是有一些小吃，应该都蛮好吃的。那我们带大家去吃吃看吧，走。
We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
这一笼多少钱？60块。这一笼60块。8个。超饱满的，而且它的肉是那种很扎实的肉，很香哎。
Put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in. From my window, sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone.